Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the highest quality file you have RAW if possible, because it preserves highlight detail that you need. Once open, scan for areas where white light is blown out, clipped highlights or bright specular spots. Make a duplicate layer and add a layer mask immediately so you never damage the original. You'll use targeted adjustments, not global extremes, so take a quick look at histogram peaks. When ready, move to Highlight Recovery and Selective Retouching. Now you act locally. Reduce exposure or highlights on the duplicate layer. Pull back small amounts like 1/2 to 2 stops, so you don't flatten the image. Once done, paint a refined mask and use a curves layer to rebuild midtones and contrast inside the masked area, because curves give tonal precision. For shiny spots, switch to the healing brush or clone over tiny specular highlights, or try frequency separation to preserve texture while correcting brightness. Make sure edges blend smoothly with the surrounding pixels. Finish by correcting color shifts. Tweak white balance or HSL selectively inside your mask so recovered areas match surrounding tones. Once done, soften mask transitions with a low-opacity soft brush and inspect at 100% to catch halos. If the area looks flat or texture is gone, lower the correction opacity or reintroduce fine detail using high-frequency texture from your frequency-separated layer, and use gentle dodge and burn to rebuild depth. If things go wrong, backtrack one step and reduce the adjustment strength.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.